Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 5 and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard camera mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to video. So here we are. Now let's move to the top at the center. When we tap here, we get access to more options about our video we can manage. We have to tap to this button from the right to open the camera settings now and slide a little bit down to the video category. At the first place here we have video stabilization, so by using the button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on as we need. And now let's move back to the video preview and tap to this button from the right. When we pick it, we can change our type of video stabilization. We can pick between standard, locked, active and cinematic pan. So I think this is really cool option. We can tap also here to the right corner and see the examples of this kind of stabilizations and suggestions how to use this. So I think this is really professional thing in this kind of camera at Google Pixel 5. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.